Hello friends, today we will be learning in this video about the fixed factors and variable factors. There are two factors, one is fixed factor and the second one is variable factor. What are fixed factors? These are the factors which do not change with change in output. Means these factors will remain same, do not change with change in output. Even though the output is more or less, the factor will remain, this factor will remain same. They do not change with change in output. It means this factor will not depend on the production. That they will remain same, fixed, whatever may be the level of production, and that factors are called as fixed factor. For example, machinery, land, building, that will remain same whatever may be the level of production. When the production is zero, these factors will be there. That is what we are using, the same quantity. Even though the production is zero, the quantity of fixed factor will not change, will remain same. If the production is more, the same quantity will be used. Even though the production is less, the same quantity will be used. Means they do not change with change in output. For example, you take example of the rent of the building. Suppose the rent of the building is rupees 5,000. Once you have taken the possession of the building, you have to pay every month rent. Suppose the particular firm is manufacturing the table. The key is taken and the firm has not started the manufacturing of the table. Even though the production is zero, output is zero, but the firm has to pay 5,000 as the rent. The firm cannot tell the owner, I have not started the production, I will not pay the rent. Once the key is given, he has to pay every month the same amount. Suppose next month he has produced 100 table. Production or output is 100. What is the rent? Rent is same, rupees 5,000 only. This is rent. Rent will remain same. When it is 0, 5,000. When he is producing 100 table, he has to pay 5,000. Next month he has, suppose for example, he has produced 1,000 table. What is the rent? Rent will be the same. That will not change as per the level of production. That will remain same. And even the production is 0, the same amount you have to pay. So these factors remains fixed. And when the production is 0, the quantity of fixed factor will remain same. And that is called as fixed factor. They do not change as per the production. Then the second one is the rent or the rent of the building or machinery. That is the example of fixed factor. Then the second one is variable factors. These factors will change as per the change in the production or as per the level of production. These factors will change with change in output or production. And when the output is 0, this factor, quantity of this factor also will be 0. When the output is less, this factor also, volume, will be less. When the output is more, the quantity of variable factor also increases. It changes as per the change in the output. So this is directly related to the quantity or the volume of production. So that is when the production is more, the more variable factors are used. When the production is less, less are used. When the production is 0, that is, will not use these factors at all. That is, the volume of this factor is 0. For example, labor, workers you are using. When the production is 0, you won't use the labor. When the production is less, for example, you are manufacturing 100 table, you require less worker. When you manufacture more, you require more worker. When the production is not there, no need of labor. So the labor is an example of variable factor. Raw materials, that is foam required wood. For example, that is foam is manufacturing table. The main raw material is wood. So the wood, more wood is required when you are producing more. Less wood you require when you are producing less. And no need of wood. Wood is not at all required when the production is 0. So this is directly related to the production. The power, electricity, all that differs as per the output. These are the examples of variable factor.